Hi, my name is Noor. I am Malaysian. I am 48 years old and I'm a working mom. I get to know Nano from my friend. She introduced and recommended it to me because she sent her daughter with a Nano and it works really great with her performance. Today is our 5th lesson, which each lesson is 2 hours lesson. So we have learned so much more. We have learned Superman, we have learned how to breathe in the water, we have learned freestyle, dog paddle and back swimming. There's so much more. Okay, what I love about Nano is she's a very strict person, okay? So you have to do it whether you like it or not. And the best part is in every technique that she teach us, she will give all 5 mistakes, everything. In every technique there is mistake, okay? And she table out everything to us, so make us aware before we do the technique. And another thing, she give us homework that is actually advantage for us for every session that we're going to. Hey, I'm 48 years old, so never too late to start anything in your life, okay? So swimming advantage is relaxing. For me, I'm a runner as well as I'm a cyclist. So swimming is a relaxing exercise for me. So everyone should start to swim.